Hello, today I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful invitation card. So maybe you have a program, you want to design an invitation card to invite others. I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get right into it. So first of all, the dimensions for this invitation card is 1050 by 600 pixels. 1050 by 600 pixels, that is the standard invitation size in Photoshop. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to select my ellipse tool, hold shift and drag to create my circle. I'm going to enlarge my circle a bit. I'm going to push it over to the edge like this. I'm going to select the fill and I'm going to choose transparent. And I'll move on to the stroke. I'm going to select a red stroke. Then I'm going to increase the stroke size to something like this. Then I'm going to type the name. It can be a name for a church depending on the type of invitation that you are designing. But this one, I'm going to type the Doom family. I'm going to change the font to Gotham Black. So if you don't have that font, you can search on Google and download that font or Montserrat. So I'm going to select Gotham Black. Yes, I have something like this. Okay, then I'm going to bring my respectfully invite. Because of time, that is why I'm picking it up. But when you are designing this, you have to write it all yourself. Invite. Then let's go and pick the next item. These are things that you can write on your own, but because I don't want the video to be so long, I'm just picking it up so that I can work on it as fast as possible. Okay, so we have this invite. Then I'm going to draw a line. So you can either choose the line tool or the rectangle tool. So let me choose the rectangle tool. I'm going to draw a small line, that is the space to write the names of those that you're inviting. Very thin one like this. Okay, I think this one is okay. So we are going to pick the next thing. Yes, so we are inviting us to chairperson, vice chairperson, blah 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 blah. Bring it down a bit. Then we are going to type the main theme. I'm going to have something like this. Yes. By the way, the name of the font, I'll give you the name of the font so that if you want to use the same font, you can download and use in your project. So we have something like this: retirement send off, Thanksgiving service. Let's put this one a bit. Then we are going to draw a rectangle. I want about 3 of them. So I'm going to duplicate this. Control plus J to duplicate. Control plus J to duplicate. So I have something like this. I'm going to type. Okay, first let's change the colors. I'm going to change the color to red so that we are going to have some kind of color blending. And I'm going to type the first one will be date. So we have date. Let's change the font to Gotham Black. Let's change. Okay, let's drag it over. We have the date. Let's change the color to white. Okay, I'm going to press Ctrl plus J to duplicate. We are going to change the text to venue. Let's resize it to fit the box. So we have something like this. Then the last one, we are going to Ctrl plus J to duplicate again. We are going to have the last one as time. Okay. So I believe that we can add the days and the time to this. Because of time, I just picked it up. I have our date. We have our venue, which we are going to resize a bit. Okay. Then finally we have our type. And the time will be, let me pick the time from the original design. We have our time, that is 9 a.m. Then lastly, we are going to draw another rectangle here. Let me give it a bit of border radius, something like this. Then I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to give it, let me drag the copy under the original. I'm going to give this one a color of blue. Now I'm going to push it a bit so that we have something like this. Now let me remove the border radius from the first one, drag it somewhere like this. I'm going to change the color of this to red. Going to remove the stroke. Zero. So in this bar, that is where you can write the contact information and the whole lot. Because of time, I'll leave that one to you. Then finally, we are going to add our picture. So place embedded. Let's look for the picture. place embedded. So I'm going to drag it down on top of the ellipse tool. I'm going to create a clipping mask. I'm going to drag this so that we have something like this. So you can add your contact information here and you are done. So this is how to create this beautiful invitation flyer. Like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.